Hey guys, it's Liv, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make, well, not how, just wait. Hey guys, it's Liv, and suddenly it's just gone dark. Hey guys, it's Liv, and today I'm going to be showing you my squishy vending machine. Oh, it's blurry. Sorry guys about this. Yeah, as you can see, we might not be able to. It's quite light in my bedroom, by the way. Is that better? Yeah, that's my squishy vending machine. Yeah, it's quite fragile because some pieces that need fixing again. But yeah, I have got a little star container which holds my money. I'm not going to be doing with my face in it today because I don't like it when I kind of like do my face. Oh, it's not focus. Okay. I don't really like it when my face is in it because I don't really know. I like to go to the side and just do it from there. But yeah, this is it. And it's just got my money in it, so that'll be what I'll be using. So yeah, as you can see, it's got a coin. It's got a coin, card, and note hole. And then this is the bit, like as you can see here, it's like a little round circle container you put in your money. I've got 10 pence, and then it's a fake one by the way. And I've got 20 cents from America and France. I just, like when I go on holiday, I just have 20 cents in my pocket and I just don't want to lose my real money. So that's, just put them in that little coin holder. So take your card, take your coin, pop it into the hole. And then you can choose which one. You can either have a sweet, and it's one of these it's in the shop. Oh my. It's in a Shopkin container, but it's like a shelf. So they're the candies you can get in there, or sweets, as we call them in England. Now, pretend you have to choose, and I want lemon. I'm just going to press this button. I'm just going to press this in, and then you open this up, and there's your sweet. And I got a lemon, I think Moen Block, quite hard to pronounce. But yeah, I got a Moen Block. I'm just going to put it on top of the vending machine. Well, you can't really see, so I'm going to put it in front of the vending machine. It's going in. What is wrong with my camera today? So yeah, I'm going to have another go. And this time I'm going to slide the lever. That's a mistake. It's the slide. Just slide it. 1 second, I'll just get my pen and put on. Slide. Okay, I'm going to slide it. And open it. And there's my squishy. Now it's a sweet and squishy vending machine. So you get sweets from this section and squishies from this section. So I got this squishy. Don't know if you can see that. And then I got this sweet. Okay. Okay, so I want another go. So as you can see, this bit's hanging out. I'm just going to take a coin and I'm just going to put that in. And I'm just going to press this beauty thing. It says beauty on it. But... And then I got my seat and it's a cherry. You can press the button, it's just a fake one. You can press it if you want that. I'm not bothered about pressing it, but you can. So instead of using coins now, because I've run out of coins, you can use a note or a card, like a note here or a card. And I want to use a note. And I haven't got, in England they don't do like £1 notes. I decided to go with 5, so you don't really get change back, but it's only for this video. Got a £5 note. Just gonna slide this into the note. You can either roll it up and then slide it. It's longer this way. Pop that in, like that. And I'm gonna slide the lever because you can't use it again once you've used that product. And I got this squishy here. Oh yeah, my beauty product name just fell down. So yeah, it's a really squishy one. It's kind of squishy, I don't really know. Yeah, and if you want to fill this, I can't fall down. Nothing good. If you want to fill this machine up easily, you can just slide it in like that. And it should go through to the next aisle. Okay, it should go through now to the next aisle. There's aisles in it as well. So as you can see, there's nothing in here. And wait, have I put any money in? I don't know if I have. Yeah, I have. So now I'm just gonna slide it. You heard that noise? And the squishy pops on. And I got the same one that I put in. I got Panda. Now I'm gonna have another go, but I want the sweets. So yeah. Okay, so I want him to get sweet. I'm gonna take my card, so you can do it with card. Take my fake card into the card. Did that just fall down? Just have to like fill it up. Fill it up, because I need to hot glue that bit. It's a mess. Yeah, let's try them. So I'm just gonna pop. I think it falls down. Getting lucky spins. Hopefully this doesn't fall down. Please don't fall down. Please don't fall down. Okay, so it might not fall down. It might fall down. Okay. I'll fix this. Don't worry about this. Okay, so it's hopefully fixed, and my camera's going crazy. Don't mind that though. So I'm putting in my card. I put my card in. Oh, why is my camera going so crazy? I'm putting my card, and I'm just going to type in a random password. Beep, 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 beep. And then you can just leave it in, or you can not. And you just push it. And then you get your sweet. And I got a raspberry sweet. So yeah, they're all my prizes. I got the stick. I got a sweet stick. When it's just the cardboard lever thing. But yeah, I got 2 squishes and I got 3 sweets. So I'm just gonna add them to the shells. Like this. And then take out my card because I need that. And there it is. There's my homemade squishy vending machine, and I can't show you the back of it, how it works now, but I'm getting my money. Did I just pause it? No, I didn't. Yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out my money. There's this little area that you can take out your money. Oh, let me just get something so I can show you where my money goes. I've got my fake computer right now. Okay. That's it. Only joking. So this is my fake computer. But yeah, if I was going to, so I can't really show you the inside. But yeah, this is my fake computer. If you want to see the inside, then comment down below and like this video. if you want to see the inside. And this is my fake computer, it's really annoying. It's not the best. And why? Camera, please don't fall down. By the way, this is my messy bedroom. Why is my guitar there? There's toilet roll and everything on the floor. Why? Okay. Hope it don't fall off. Phew. Okay, I've got my money. That's it all. Shut this and then just put in the lever again. And now, the final thing. I'm just going to show you me trying to put it all away. And now it's really hard to put it away. Oh, no it's not. I'm only joking, guys. And then, I'm going to move on today. Uh-oh. Pull my twist. So, squishies in there. And then my machine. You can use fake money as well if you need like cubes, stickers, whatever you want. I think that was it. No. Nope, it's not. It's not, guys. Bear with me, I just put them. I can't be bothered to put them in properly because it's just. Oh, it's in. There we go. It's in. There we go. Uh oh. No, I just broke this sign. Get in! I hate this. Get. I've just broke it. Right. Ow! Oh! Well, just come off, Tin. It's not going to stay on, is it? Weird. Weird things can cause damage. What I'm talking about. I'm going crazy. Ugh. That was weird. I don't know what happened there. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Wow. Mm. Oh. Wow. That one. Okay. I'm going to turn the camera off. I'll put it back in place. Right. Oh. Right, I haven't turned the camera off. Okay. That's weird. Oh, I know it's consuming. But bye, guys. Right now it's Friday. I hope you have a good weekend. If it's still Friday for you. And yeah. I'll see you next week. Bye, guys. Well.